Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best home theater projectors available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Hisense PEX1 Pro. Best home theater projector overall. Best for transforming just about any room into a home theater. Using a triple laser light engine, the Hisense PEX1 Pro produces sharp pictures in 4K resolution. This short throw projector has a throw ratio of 0.25, which means you can get as close as 0.9 feet, and it generates images between 90 and 130 inches, making it a great choice for movie night with family and friends. The PEX1 Pro caught our attention not just for its placement versatility, but also for its image quality. It achieves 2200 lumens brightness with a triple laser light engine which produces 107% of the BT 2020 color space. Together with its HDR robust support, the PEX1 Pro outputs images are rich and color accurate. Its built-in 30W stereo speakers use Dolby Atmos, while the projector's HDMI ARC port handles lossless audio playback. This projector is a full-fledged entertainment system with its integrated Android TV 10 and TV tuner. Thought its variant of Android TV lacks Netflix, you can connect one of the best streaming devices to stream Netflix or other video services, and it has no support for 3D content. For gamers, auto low latency mode can be a boon as well. Reasons to buy: rich, accurate colors, integrated Android TV, support for Dolby Atmos audio. Reasons to avoid: no 3D support, no internal Netflix app. Number 2. Samsung the Premier LSP9T. Best 4K home theater projector. Best for building out a high-end home theater in your living space. Samsung's high-end home theater project uses a triple laser light engine to produce bright, 2800 lumen images. It is a short-throw projector which can images up to 130 inches from about 3 feet from the projection surface. It has a 0.189 throw ratio. The Premier supports HDR and HDR10+ for displaying realistic, clear, and vibrant colors. The built-in dual 40-watt speakers output Dolby audio and uses Samsung's acoustic beam audio technology to produce 4.2-channel sound. The unit itself has a compact design which doesn't make it look like just another projector. Instead, its stylish contours fit in well with a living environment. Thanks to its built-in smart video streaming capabilities, using Samsung's Tizen OS, the projector can directly access Netflix, Apple TV+, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and other popular services without needing additional equipment. If you do choose to add a dedicated streamer or other connection, the back of the projector has 3 HDMI ports, an Ethernet port, and a USB port. Gamers should note that Game Enhancer mode can automatically reduce input lag for smoother and more responsive gameplay against opponents. This is a 4K projector you want at home for the ultimate movie night experience. Just don't forget the popcorn. Reasons to buy: bright images produced via triple laser, projects up to 130 inches. Built-in smart TV capabilities via Tizen OS for directly streaming video. Reasons to avoid: operating system can be sluggish. Expensive. Number 3. Optoma UHD35. Best gaming home theater projector. Best for gaming and movies. In addition to 4K resolution and 3600 lumens brightness, the Optoma UHD35 stands out for gaming thanks to its fast 240 Hz refresh rate and 4.2 millisecond response time via its enhanced gaming mode. This translates to low input lag and smooth, responsive gameplay. It also supports HDR10 and HLG. Position the projector between 4 and 32 feet from a wall or screen to output a picture between 33 and 300 inches a maximum. That makes this a good choice for use in big rooms and small alike. Its integrated audio is meager, though, with just one 10-watt speaker integrated into the projector. Your favorite games, however, will appear more immersive and larger than life. This model is old school, though, with no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Reasons to buy: decent brightness for at-home use, great response time and refresh rate for gamers, flexible projection size. Reasons to avoid: mono speaker, lacks Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Number 4. Anker Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K. Best outdoor movie home theater projector. Best for watching your favorite movies indoors or outdoors. The Anker Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K projector makes it easy to connect your computer or mobile device so you can stream and project just about any video content at up to 4K resolution. At 2400 lumens, this projector is bright, making it good for use outdoors or in ambient light, and images look rich thanks to HDR support. It has a built-in handle to help carry it around, useful since it weighs a hefty 10.5 pounds. If you're setting it up outside, though, you need a power source since this model lacks a battery. The Nebula projects 4K images between 60 and 150 inches and has a throw ratio of 1.27, which means you can't get too close to the projection surface. Meanwhile, the projector supports Dolby audio and 3D soundscape on its 210-watt speakers for impressive sound. It runs using Android TV 10, which means you can stream a variety of popular services without needing a separate streaming device. Reasons to buy: 4K resolution with HDR10 support, integrated Android TV 10 for streaming, strong built-in speakers. Reasons to avoid: not battery powered. Number 5. LG Cinbeam HU715QW. Best ultra short throw 4K home theater projector. Best for a small space you want to convert into an impressive home theater. Put the stylish LG Cinbeam HU715QW less than 5 inches from a projection surface and get a vibrant 80-inch image thanks to its 0.22:1 throw ratio. The projection image size maxes out at 120 inches, making it appropriate for a wide range of spaces. This model uses a single laser to project a bright 2500 lumen image with a 2,000,001 contrast ratio, but it doesn't achieve as wide of a color gamut as 3 laser models. It has 220W speakers to produce good stereo sound, and a range of inputs including HDMI with eARC and HDMI 2.1 for use with the latest game consoles like the Sony PlayStation 5. The Cinbeam integrates HDR10 and HLG HDR protocols, as well as an HDR gaming mode which supports the guidelines set out by the HDR Gaming Interest Group. LG uses its ThinQ operating system to provide ample streaming apps and works with Apple AirPlay Wireless. Reasons to buy: great resolution, lamp life and brightness, terrific streaming options, ultra short throw 0.22:1. Reasons to avoid: designed to be stationary,